Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Sir, it's a question about floods anyway. No, many can say the sentence and a waste of time. I think for now, the bet me idea see and one say about the sentence. But I say a Bibianca. But see, stop that and see what will happen. West. Oh, and you know, and the sitting there must continue. Once I ever open near drains, rivers near there. I think we must even have a Bible scacra and machines now, a dredging be. And you'll be permanent, you know,
what is you?
Oh, and to be because you see, apart from a filth now. Waste anywhere be ye fi hono no oyi could do time bia obenya kwan adregi even sand fine sand obetumi aton e dey aye bibi anything no for now there that is what we will do. But you see,
interesting. Nana no Ami here, national president of GSEPO say Netherlands by definition is land underwater.
Yeah, of course.
And precisely Amsterdam
yeah.
is 4 meters below sea level. Yet there's no perennial flooding reported anywhere. Accra is at par with the sea. And we never experienced flooding when we're under colonial rule. Now under self-rule and independence, we rely on prayers for our safety and well-being. What a country. Nana Nami here, we love to pray, don't we?
Yeah, Kwame, the fact is say sometimes comparison you say under colonial masters anyway no that time no need pain in Accra. You see and also yeah Adebako say
yes
and at that time no nipa hina wo mu dan o ma fence no ya ye wall afa ho that time no nipa hina wo mu fie o ma cast a form ho no
ato tiles
e wo form. You know, you know, your doors.
Yeah, and Ubia
in the name of you protect and in the name of security, you know, your 2 walls, I can say. I feel so fear on Kazan, because you see, in short a certain percentage is absorbed into the soil.
Yeah,
and then it doesn't happen. Everything will turn into running water. And it, you know, a bit if you create it, you know, and now. Another thing me harm me seriously about Ghana need the way I planning. You don't see a point year need way me no. Me de me hu say Minister T. Ejuma wo musu wo mu ye e call round near the so money highways for na year na. Money highways for na call round ana. And I say mo na mo fam hu na mo nko works and housing mo nko na mo ye. Muni friends other ministries relevant you know ministries and now is it a joint way and I say Minister of Works and Housing onunkwa because the me who say Kwame I say me can want some wager ya can want some say among for sisi adan wo bipo no so among for sisi adan wo bipo no so e hono ensuo no erosion take place. It is washing the soil into the dam. And I may be say one more light me boa. It means Ministry of Energy through the Electricity Corporation yamon power they have water now the air say
so we've legitimized the illegality.
You listen to me carefully. We have a situation where there is a dam. Now Garden Water Company one main source of water for drinking water. I don't know. Now you have people who have built up there. One activities affected dam, no? Right? One more activities was through washing sand into the dam. Meanwhile, the same Ghana Water Company, I'm all monsieur on. And I'm done ever complaining. Say dam no, sanitation air cost.
Why the man call for the permit first of all? So among through her.
And the Electricity Corporation so I'm on power. And Obiso I'm friend is saying permit. I'm on mercy dying. That will top on.
A problem the start.
That's the point. And let me say, Maza Kwame.
Yes, sir.
In some countries, what happens? They say, if indeed there is that, there is that cooperation and
linkage.
Yes, between various institutions. Well, me say the ecos of Ghana Hanu, sa na ecos of Babia, because you cannot go and build Babia. Ghana, those who would give you power and electricity, they are not involved in even the planning of the place.
That's the word, planning. We don't plan.
They are not. But you see, in Ghana, everybody wants to build an empire for himself or herself. And then, Ministry of Works and Housing, woman the president APA, right, call round. Minister, chair president,
yeah.
But to share seriously, the ECOSUI and your Ministry of Works and Housing plan that's a move.
EPA.
We want to see an interministerial kind of work going on, because who care about drainage? Now roads to is that happening in Ghana? No. And that's the reason why Obibekwa sit down now roads and highways that construct road at the Akohonu, though the activity and I said the cost will affect it eventually. So until there's a lack of coordination insofar as development in this country is concerned.
What do we do?
And I can say, let's sit down. To say the air can say me, I believe that today the president's rounds and necessary. We need to sit down. Let's sit down. Fancy, because the problem it is not his going round that will solve the problem. Let him sit down. For Minister of Roads, Minister of Works and Housing, all the related ministries. Now I listened to one gentleman from spatial planning anyway. Ghana. You see, every time you come radio, and we spent a lot of time, a whole year and a half, considering the bill. And a better you're planning your crew. We spend money, we spend time, we spend. But then, as I speak to you, I listened to a gentleman yesterday on TV, no so announced Bibisa. Now, we special planning for, and then they have contribution. And then you see, they have develop NIMA into what do you call it?
And also another laugh.
Remember, you have develop NIMA. And we say, what? And then they have contribution. You see, I don't blame. The young man, the American say it is the lack of coordination because Obia per se because me mabama Jimmy Dean. And the American happy now. You shouldn't be surprised. Say Ibia. Sometimes a Ministry of Agri, Ministry of Environment and whatever. Now, what programs are running on they are parallel. Whereas it's supposed to be, they are supposed to be, speaking to each other. It is not going on. Anything until say. You can say eye service or be a person pleasing the master. No, if we don't stop that thing in this country, my brother, let's forget it. Forget it. Because it is the lack of coordination. Obia person protecting the territory. You are Gamma lizard. Obia Bahonuma come no wakano. There are ministers who are not speaking to each other because of petty things. You see, and it affects the work, and then they are affecting development. Ghana Hanu, and then anything, Masa, and the city need it must continue. Government will find money because until say you bet me a grace, even that no grant. If you say baby or don't money I didn't hear. Then the only thing we can do is to continue to dredge it because you see, I went to one of the cities in China. MC Shanghai, they have a certain river, the Orange River or whatever. Who got here 20 years ago? The surrounding, towns to say Nima. Fields are there, communal. That's more than, and then a chain, but you see, what deploy? Who call one says here? One more permanent, dredging machines. Me and Baku left and Baku right. Constantly, one more dredging, they take out, fine sand. And no, this is dying. And you, I think Geneva too call yes, I think that yes. I want one more lake. If you go there, the same thing because it constantly, instead of a wash from the Alps into the lake, into constantly. That's what the dredging there. We have to do it. You be drains are covered no crown. your rivers your streams they are available, we need to be dredging them constantly. And you know, until say you better do what do you call it, babia, you better me cover your drains God tells a war criminal they constantly, but you see,
yes,
the other thing I want to say, and then so you see, I say, and then mini obviously what do you call this last week me call him and obviously we are blocking Ukraine na one more year one more titi got money ade yeah sano mana na you really say no man you be here fi got no we need to find a place for those things but then you better deploy you better waste your time me better talk full ni ade ni akwa titi got na dey good street no so waiting for another rain to come and wash it back into the gutter. And Juba was at the end of the day, no, and Juba a waste. Because if you are a toy and runner, your titi got a move at the 210. Instead to another washing the back. The next week we go back and silt. And not only we are just wasting our time. But Kwame, the bottom line is that there must be coordination. The various ministries now, Juma. Ediama president, you know. Nobody should think say me Kwame here FLC president. I'm a president, I can't say me here. There must be coordination. Let's sit down and then round the president, round the corner. That is not what will solve our problem. Call the ministers, Minister of Roads and Highways, Minister of Water. Let's sit down. What is happening? Why is it that we are where we are today? Now, that is what is killing Ghana. Now, Fladzi, to continue till thy kingdom come. Kwame, until the America won't